Hello, hello. Today's this group in Kalamkari group, that is my first time live. Uh, my live is visible. Am I visible or audible? Actually, this group is the first time. Mm, am I visible or audible? Please tell me, am I visible or audible? In this group, this is my first time live. Myself, my name is Tanmay Bhattacharya. I'm from basically from Kolkata in West Bengal in Dum. I am specially in the NIFT student. After NIFT I start my business. Am I visible or audible live? Hello. Hello everyone, am I visible or audible? Hello everyone, I request to please hi hello please. Today I showcase many of the sarees, mainly sarees. All type of sarees in the very traditional sarees must be type of Katha, Banarasi, Kanjivaram, Gadwal, all type of sari I have. Today I showcase the little bit of my collection. Mainly today I showcase the Katha, Kanjivaram, uh, and some very minimum Banarasi also. Please tell me, am I visible or audible? Live is clear. Please inform me. This is my first time. Please uh, join and support me. Am I visible or audible? Live is clear. Hello everyone. Please tell me, am I visible or audible? Live is clear. Hello everyone. I pin post my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 90737252 and 32. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. I already pin post in my phone number and WhatsApp number. I have a page. My page name is Parijat Boutique. Every day I live there. In this time, in this page, this is my first time live. Am I visible or audible? Please, everyone, please join and support me. This is my first time live in this group in Kalamkari group. Hello. Please approve my live. In admin panel, anyone is there? Please approve. Please admin panel, please approve my live. Hello. Please admin panel, please approve my live. Hello. My live is approved. Please approve my live. Any admin, please approve my live. It's a request, humble request. Please approve. Am I visible or audible? My live is clear, visible and audible. Please inform, then I will start. Am I visible or audible? Please message me, is clear or not, then I will start. Hello, am I visible or audible? My live is clear. Please message me my live is clear or not, then I will start. Yes, okay, then I will start, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, I will start. Neetu, ma'am, thank you. I will start. This is my first day, first time live in this group. This is the first, this is the number one. It's a pure Bishnupur Katan. See, this is the pure Bishnupur Katan. Kaushalla ma'am, thank you ma'am. Please join and support my live. See, this is a Bishnupuri Katan. Awesome shari. It's a real handwork. It's a Bengal famous full katha stitch, total katha work. It looks like a Gujarati, but this is not a Gujarati stitch. It's a completely handwork katha. See, this is the pallu portion, this is the pallu, and pallu have a this is looks like a mirror, but this is not mirror, it's a foil type of foil, and these also total done by hand. It's a complete handmade product. See the back side of the work. This is the border portion. See the border, amazing border, and this is the sari. A very nice, very exclusive sari. See, this is the pallu. Upper part of the body, this is the upper part of the body. If anyone interested for shopping, take a screenshot and send a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number already mentioned in live. My WhatsApp number is 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. All over India, shipping charges total free. At that moment, no COD facility. I am basically from Kolkata. Payment system is Google Pay, Phone Pay and bank transfer. Through DTDC or Speed Post, you collect the product. That is the procedure of the shopping. This is the blouse piece. Amazing shari. It's excellent. It's completely handwork. See, this is the skirt border, grand border, skirt border shari. Amazing shari. It's a half and half shari. Material is a pure Bishnupur Katan, and half is a dyed. It's a tie and dye. See, this is the tie and dye portion, and all over even work. All over even work. See, this is the base body. This is the base body, and full pallu and the lower part of the body. See, this is the lower part. This is the lower portion. After drape, it looks awesome. With blouse piece, the sari price is 5500. 5500 is the sari price. Amazing. It's a material is 100% pure silk mark affiliated must be. See the sari. It's an amazing sari. This is the blouse. See, this is the sari. This is the sari. Amazing looks, amazing sari. This is the number one. Number one, it's a premium, very premium quality. It's a very good quality of the sari and total handwork. It's a Bengal famous katha. This is a Bengal famous katha. This is the back side. It's total intricate handwork. It's a completely handwork. This is the number one. Then I shift to number two. This is number one. This is number two. Number two also another katha. This is also another katha. See the neatness of the work. See the workmanship. It's total handwork, hand katha, and it's a very famous Shantiniketan, Bolpur Shantiniketan famous katha. It's a pride of Bengal, authentic pride of Bengal. See, this is the border portion. This is the border. Amazing sari. Base color. The material of the sari is the pure Gachi by Gachi Toshor. This is a pure Gachi by Gachi Toshor. It's a dyed. Rate of the pink sari. The pink sari price is ma'am 5500. 5500 is the pink sari price. Neetu ma'am, the number one sari price is 5500. It's a Bishnupur Katan, all over Katha stitch, half and half. Lower portion is the virgin color. It's a off-white virgin color, and upper portion is the magenta pink. This is number two. Number two is the amazing katha. See, this is the katha work, neatness of the work. See the work. It's a completely handwork, no machine. It's total done by hand. See the back side. And this is the close-up of the border. See the close-up of the border. Amazing. It's a very sober taste sari. See, this is the pallu portion. This is the pallu. Pallu and border is the black work, black thread work, and middle portion is the black and off-white color thread work. This is the base body. See the base body. This is the base body. Base body is the off-white tussar color thread work, and this is the border. See the all over body. It's an amazing sari, very sober taste, very sober. See the pallu, this is the pallu, and this sari have no edge bar. This sari specially have no edge bar. Amazing sari, all over even booty. See, very nice and very exclusive, very classy sari, really very classy. This sari have no blouse piece. This is without blouse piece sari. The sari price is 4200. 4200 is this sari price. Amazing. It's a pure Gachi by Gachi Toshor. See the sari. This is the close-up of the work. See, this is the back side of the border. See the back side of the border. If anyone interested to take the sari, please WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number already mentioned in live and already my group link also there. This is my WhatsApp group. Join and get the regular basis update. This is the sari. Amazing is the katha. Amazing katha. Color tone is a very nice. It's a golden color. This is a pallu and border and all over body, even booty, but very subdued sober taste. This is a really sober taste sari. The sari price is 4200. 4200 is the sari price. It's a really exclusive katha. It's an authentic, very traditional katha stitch. See the pallu, close up of the pallu. This is the pallu close up. See, this is the total sari. Now I shift to number 3. This is number 2. Now I shift to number 3. This is the number 3. Number 3. Number 3 also another katha. The material is the Gachi by Gachi Toshor. This is also Gachi by Gachi Toshor. This is very designer taste sari. And very classy, authentic Bengali color combination. Maroon with Virgin Tussar. It's a material is a pure Gachi by Gachi Toshor, and this is a unique dye. The dye effect is a very amazing. This is the pallu. This is the pallu portion. See the pallu. See the work, neatness of the katha, neatness of the work. See, this is the pallu. Amazing, amazing pallu. See the pallu. This is the full pallu view. See, this is the pallu. It's total pallu. And this is the base body. See the base body. It's a corner to corner tie and dyed shari. Amazing. All over, even booty. See the booties. It's all over booties. And this is the border. See the border portion. This is the border. See, this is the border. After drape, it looks like awesome. It's a corner to corner. See, in inner part is the it's a type of not exactly maroon. It's type of cinnamon color. Color is a cinnamon type of color because it's a pure Toshor. Toshor always look take a dull effect. That is the main issue. See, this is the all over booty. It's a amazing looks. This sari also very designer taste, designer looks. See the sari. This sari have no blouse piece. This is without blouse piece sari. The sari price is 4200, 4200. This sari price. Amazing looks sari. See, when you drape the sari, it looks like this. See. When you wear the sari, it looks like this. It's an amazing looks. This is the pallu and this is the full view. It looks like really very nice and designer taste sari. See, this is the pallu portion and this is the full body. It's a really amazing sari, amazing. This is the border. See the border portion. This is the border. See, Apurbo. It's a really exclusive shari. The color combination. See, it's an amazing katha. The material of this sari is a pure Gachi by Gachi Toshor. It's an authentic Gachi by Gachi Toshor. See the neatness of the workmanship. PP for which one? This sari price is 4200. This sari price is 4200. Mr. Tapan Kumar Bhattacharya. The sari price is 4200. Apurva shari dekhachhi. The sari is really amazing. See the neatness of the work. It's called a cheli work. See the cheli work neatness. This is the terms. It's a typical terms. It's called cheli work. That see the neatness of the work. See the workmanship. It's total handwork done by total hand. See. It's a awesome shari, and see this is the back side. This is the back side of the sari. It's a completely hand needle work. It's a total needle work and by total hand done hand. This is number 3. The sari price is 4200. Now I shift to khaddi. This is a pure Georgette khaddi with bandage. See the Georgette quality. This is the Georgette quality. It's a pure 100% pure Georgette. See the Georgette quality. It's amazing shari. It's a really very exclusive. This is the pallu portion. See the pallu. This is the pallu. Amazing georgette. It's a total hand bandage. It's a completely hand bandage work. See, this is the pallu portion. See the pallu. This is the base body. Base body have two color work. One is golden. This is the off-white color, and this is the golden yellow. The bandage color and total hand woven and hand work. Amazing georgette. The material of the georgette is a pure georgette. It's 100% pure georgette material. See the sari. This is the sari. It's a awesome. Really, sari is the awesome sari. The quality, the product, all are really very nice. Very nice quality. Trust me, this is my first time live. It's a really excellent sari. Excellent. This is the border portion. See the border. It's a lower part border and total handwork. See your sari quality. Okay, thank you, Didi. Thank you, Didi. See the live. This is the border. See the border. Apurnati already taken my sari. She know very well. This is the border. Amazing sari. It's a really amazing. It's a pure khaddi georgette with bandage work. This is the sari, and this is the pallu. See the quality of the georgette. This is the pure georgette quality. Have no nothing. This is no crushed, no nothing. This is no crushed. See, this is the sari. It's a pure georgette. It's not a viscose type of georgette. See, this is a pure georgette Banarasi. This is a pure georgette Banarasi. The price also very reasonable. The sari price is 4500. 4500 is the sari price. It's an amazing sari. Amazing. It's a very amazing. 4500 is the pure khatti georgette Banarasi price. Now I shift to next one, next sari. Now I showcase a very grand Kanjivaram. It's an amazing grand Kanjivaram. It's an authentic Kanjivaram. It's a core by weave. See, this is the pallu. It's an amazing color tone. The color tone of the sari is amazing. See, this is the pallu portion. It's a shocking Rani color pallu. It's a total core by weave. See, this is the back portion. This is a pure core by weave sari. This is the pallu. See the pallu. This is the grand Jodi pallu. It's a typical Kanjivaram. It's a typical core by Kanjivaram. This is the upper part border. See, this is a total hand woven. It's a core by weave, and all over is the Annapakshi motif. The motif is Annapakshi. See, this is the base body work, and widely. See the widely. Amazing sari. It's a really amazing. Amazing Kanjivaram. It's a really exclusive Kanjivaram sari. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse. The sari price is 6,000 only. 6,000 only. Amazing. This is the lower part border. See the lower part border. The lower part border is a grand border. It's a double color border. See, this is the upper one border. Apurnadi, we are telling this is a beautiful. Thank you, Didi. Thank you. It's a really beautiful, really exclusive and really beautiful. See the border. This is the border. It's a full shikarka motif. See the border. This is a total shikarka motif. Amazing Kanjivaram. It's a total 100% pure silk and pure core by weave. See, this is the back side. It's a total core by weave Kanjivaram. The price also very minimum, very affordable range. Really very unusual sari. See the sari. It's a grand shari, really grand shari. See, this is the sari. Oh my god, this looks are fabulous. Really, this sari looks are fabulous. The price also very minimum price. The sari price is only 6,000 only. Amazing, amazing. See the pallu, the contrast color combination is amazing. This sari color is not a yellow. This is not yellow color. It's a type of lime color. It's a lime green color. It's a cross green with golden cross, and all over body is a brocade work. It's amazing and very much lightweight. It's a very much lightweight shari, not too heavy shari. This is really lightweight shari. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. See the pallu. This is the pallu portion. See the pallu. It's a really grand shari. It's a really grand. This is one of my very favorite shari. It's a really amazing. This sari is really in my choice. See the work. This is the border. Border also full shikarka type of motif. The concept of the peacock is type of the kalamkari type of work. Now I shift to next shari. This is a pure Katan Benarashi. It's an amazing color. The color of this sari is amazing. It's a really amazing color combination. It's it's called a two-tone color. In Bengali, people call Moyur Konti. Moyur Konti means in the peacock neck color. It's exactly in peacock neck color. It's an amazing sari. It's a short color. It's a dual tone. Amazing color tone of the sari. It's a pure Benarasi. It's 100% pure silk Benarasi and full resham work. See the pallu. This is the pallu. What a grand sari and terrifical is soberness. See the soberness. It's a really very sober, gorgeous, also very much sober sari. See, this is the pallu. See the close up of the pallu paisley. See the paisley work. It's a completely Mina work. This is the border portion. See the border. It's a really grand shari. It's an amazing grand shari. The design concept taken from the Jamdani type of border and Jamdani type of booty all over. See the all over body. See the booties. This is the booties. This is the back side of the sari. This is the back side. It's a completely hand woven. It's a complete hand weave. Completely hand weave shari. This is the pallu, and it's a full shari. See the full shari. It's amazing. Really, this sari is an amazing shari. What a excellent color and work. The grand shari. It's a really grand shari. The sari is really grand. What a color. See the color. Wow. It's a really wow. Not only for my business I tell the wow. It's a really wow. What a color. It's a really awesome. See the back side of the work. This is the back side of the work. It's a pure 100% pure katan material in the full resham work without jori, have no zari. This sari price is 5500. 5,500 is the sari price. This sari have no blouse piece. This is without blouse piece sari. The sari price is 5500. 5,500 is the sari price. It's an amazing sari. I tell you, this is my first live. Trust me, my product is really awesome collection. I assure you, this is really your asset piece. These all are your asset piece. Amazing shari, amazing. This is my first time. Please support. Now I shift to next one. See, this is another Kanchivaram. This is a Kanchivaram shari. It's an amazing Kanchivaram. Many more people like the without jodi and very less jodi Kanchivaram. This is this kind. This is that type of sari. This is really very less jodi, very minimum jodi. This is the pallu. See the pallu portion. This is the pallu. It's a very smart. It's a looks like a very smart shari. This is the pallu portion, and this is the full body. See the full body. This is the border portion. See the border. This is the border. Silk quality is the amazing silk. The silk quality is really amazing. See, this is the border portion. The lower lines is the zari border. Middle is the resham, full resham work, and this is the total hand woven. It's a complete hand woven karua booty. See the back side. This is total hand woven. It's a completely hand woven karua. See the back side of the booties. This is the side. Amazing. It's a grand shari, really grand shari. This is the pallu, and this is the full shari. This is the full view of the sari. This is a running blouse piece. I think this sari have a running blouse piece. Amazing sari. The sari price is 5,000 only. This sari price is 5,000 only. See the lower part of the border. In total border have the grand zari booty, and not grand. It's a very sleek paisley border, paisley motif, and the total resham work border. And this is the zari border. Very smart shari. Really very smart. Amazing shari. This kind of Kanjivaram you wear any kind of corporate sector party also. Very nice. Silk quality is the amazing quality silk. See the sari looks after drape. See, this is the sari. This is the sari. This is the pallu, and this is the full body. It's an amazing look sari. It's a really amazing sari. The sari price is 5,000 only. This is the pallu portion. It's a completely handwork. It's a complete hand woven Kanjivaram. See, this is the pallu. It's really beautiful. Really, this sari is the really beautiful. Now I showcase the another Kanjivaram. This is also Kanjivaram. See the color. What a color of the sari. It's an amazing color combination. Really amazing color. What a color. It's a grand. It's a really grand. See the pallu. This is the pallu. See the pallu. In festive season also coming. Ideal for any kind of festival. See, this is the pallu. Amazing, really amazing shari. It's a really amazing. This is the pallu portion. Pallu is the gold and silver jari work. It's called a Sona Rupa booty. See, this is a full Sona Rupa booty, full shari. This is the pallu. See the pallu. This is the pallu portion, and this is the full body. It's a complete full body. Full body also gold and silver jari work. It's an amazing sari. It's a really amazing. It's an amazing shari. See the full shari. This is the full shari. Same price. This sari price also 5,000 only. 5,000 only this sari price. Amazing, really amazing, amazing shari. See what a color of the sari. Rishabh Shari, this kind of sari, it's a grand, it's a really grand type of shari. See, it's a really wow. See the pallu, and very much lightweight. It's a pure material, always lightweight. Amazing, amazing type of sari. This is the pallu portion. See the pallu, and this is the full body. Awesome, awesome shari, awesome. This is my first live. No one can join at that moment. I know my live is there. If anyone like and choice my product, please contact my WhatsApp number already mentioned in live. My WhatsApp number is 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. Next one. See the next one. This is an amazing and very classic Banarasi shari. This is a Banarasi, amazing Banarasi. See, it's called a Nilambari. It's a original Nilambari. See, with a Konya booty. This is a Konya booty. See, this is the pallu. See the pallu, amazing. The sari have the sari base body color is deep navy blue, exactly deep navy blue. This is the pallu. See the pallu. The pallu is the grand, very classic pallu. It's a with big Konya booty. It's called a Nilambari. This is a Nilambari sari. See the base body. Base body have a jacquard weave. See. Tone on tone weave, and this is the border portion. This is the border. It's a total grand shari. It's a really grand. It's a really grand shari. The sari price is 5800. 5800 is the sari price. It's an awesome shari. Really, this sari looks awesome. This is the full sari. All over body is the plain with sleek jori border. The main attraction and main looks is the sari pallu. This is the pallu. See the pallu looks. What are looks of the sari? Amazing sari. The sari price is 5800. 5800 is the sari price. See, this is the pallu. See the pallu. This is the pallu. I think everyone can understand. What a grand and very gorgeous sari. The price also very minimum. The sari price is 5800. In my back side, this white one. This is the white one. It's a in very distant. That's why you don't understand. This is a hand painted sari. It's a Bengal famous Fulia cotton. It's total hand painted. It's a Kalamkari type of hand painting done by in West Bengal. In West Bengal, the sari price is 2000 only. And another one, the yellow and black is the Dhakai Jamdani sari. It's made from West Bengal. Design concept total taken from the Bangladesh. This sari price is very minimum 2200 is the sari price. Today I showcase the total saris. At that moment, today I have at that moment I leave the live. If anyone interested, take the product, take a screenshot and send a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number already mentioned in live, 9073725232. That is my phone number and WhatsApp number. No COD facility at that moment. Payment system is Google Pay, Phone Pay and bank transfer. Through DTDC or Speed Post you collect the product. That is the procedure of the shopping. All over India shipping charge is total free. I am basically from Kolkata. My name is Tanmay Bhattacharjee. My boutique name is Parijat Boutique. My WhatsApp link also there in live. If anyone interested to join my WhatsApp group and get the regular basis update. Tomorrow I also come the live in 4 p.m. Namaskar. Have a nice day.